such a large octopus. Our supplies are reliable. Yesterday, we cut up the fin fish we picked up, tossed the fish heads and tails into the pit, and used the spoiled fish meat as bait for the trap. Mingze, Mingze, come drink coconut! Ha! Where did you find so many coconuts? What a pity. Hey!
These days, the waves are big, and there must be a lot of things washed ashore. Let's go see if there's anything interesting. Hey, 8th floor, TV station.
Oh, so much waste material.
Lindsay, there's a white buoy here. This is good. We can take this back for fish harvest. Beautiful, Lindsay.